Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to block third-party cookies on Mint browser. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Mint browser. Then you can see there are many options. Click on three dot at top right corner. Then you can see settings option there, click on it. Then click on privacy and security option. You can see their cookies option. Click on it. Then click on block third-party cookies option. Finally guys, in this way, you can easily block third-party cookies on Mint browser.